Back to the channel. Is there going to be another short squeeze pop? That's hard to tell. So today we are looking at the stock price of Revlon Inc. and the stock is down 22.78%, trading at $4.27. So as you guys might remember, Revlon, oops, exit that. Yeah, let's continue. So as you guys might remember, Revlon Inc. filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, and after that, guys organized on stockholders organized on Reddit, and they realized that there was a fair amount of short interest on the stock, and that way they organized on Reddit, and then they did what you would call a short squeeze, and that drove the stock up to more than $8 within a couple of days. But unfortunately, I think the Redditors are cashing out, and since then the stock has actually dropped, and today it is trading at $4.27. Yesterday the stock closed at $5.53, and today it opened lower at $5.25. The 52-week range for Revlon stock has been from $1.08 all the way up to $17.65. Today's volume is at 9.5 million shares that have exchanged hands, compared to an average volume of 14 million shares. The market capitalization of Revlon is at $233 million. And just to let you guys understand what's going on with the company. So Revlon has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and typically when a company does that, shareholders are wiped out. That hasn't happened yet with Revlon, and we don't know exactly when the shares, I don't know if they will get delisted, exactly how this one is going to work out, but I know the company as an entity still exists, and they recently got approved by the bankruptcy judge to place a loan, which will enable them to get prepared for the December high season around the Christmas and Thanksgiving New Year period. So that's what's happening with Revlon. For the common stockholder, I don't have any idea what has been decided for them, if they're just going to be wiped out, because you have to remember, Chapter 11 bankruptcy affords protection to existing to the company from creditors. So nobody can say, hey, I had 1 million shares, now I got to get a piece of the company, maybe give me that building, give me that car, give me that real estate. None of that can happen. The company is essentially afforded protection from all those creditors. So today wasn't a good day on Wall Street. As you guys can see, we have just about 2 hours to the close of market. S&P 500 is struggling to pop back up. The Dow 30 has struggled, but so far I think it's about half a percentage point above water right now. Nasdaq is still barely breaking even, but the trend is upward, so we're hoping here by the close of the closing bell that Nasdaq will break through. Russell 2000 is definitely under, and it's down 1.54%. Yesterday I think the Russell 2000 was the one trending higher, whereas the other indices were going downward. So it's like they're playing musical chairs they exchanged. So that's what's happening with Revlon. I think that volume that we see is quite healthy. 9 million shares, that's nothing trivial for a company that has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So it remains to be seen where the company heads. But at this point in time, I say that it is likely, very unlikely, that we would see Redditors come again together around Revlon to make another one final pop before the stock gets delisted, or whatever happens. That's what I had to say today about Revlon. So I guess the Reddit crowd has moved on to something else. Whatever it is, I have no idea. You only see them when the stocks pop, and then you find out that it's trending on Reddit. So that's what I had to share with you guys today. Over the past 48 hours, we have been unable to add any new subscribers. If you are new to this channel, or you are a long time person who returns to the channel, please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. We would like to hit 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections, which take place in November. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next one.